Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Ravi Lakshmanan, cyber attack. Threat intelligence. The Computer's Emergency Response Team of Ukraine, CERT-UA, has detailed a malicious email campaign targeting government agencies, enterprises, and military entities. The emails exploit the appeal of integrating popular services like Amazon or Microsoft and implementing a zero-trust architecture. The campaign is believed to have been underway since at least August 2024 and may target other countries. CERT-UA attributes the campaign to UAC 0215, while Amazon Web Service, AWS, links it to the Russian nation-state hacking group APT29. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Researchers discover security flaw in Amazon Web Services Cloud Development Kit. Cybersecurity researchers have identified a security flaw in Amazon Web Services Cloud Development Kit, CDK, that could allow an attacker to gain administrative access to a target AWS account. The issue was addressed by the project maintainers in CDK version 2, 149.0 released in July. The flaw builds upon prior findings about shadow resources and how predefined naming conventions for AWS S3 buckets can be weaponized to orchestrate bucket monopoly attacks. The bootstrapping process, which provisions certain AWS resources, creates an S3 bucket with a predictable naming pattern that can be exploited by an attacker. If the CDK is used again after deleting the original S3 bucket, the attack chain facilitates the creation of an admin role in the target AWS account. Approximately 1% of CDK users were vulnerable to this attack vector. To mitigate the issue, users must update their CDK to the latest version and rerun the bootstrap command or apply an IAM policy condition to the file publishing role CDK role. Cyber news number 3. No title provided. The article discusses the growing threat of ransomware attacks and the need for organizations to adopt phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication, MFA, to protect against these threats. The rise in ransomware payments has been alarming, with the average payment increasing by 500% this year. The use of legacy MFA systems, such as one-time passwords over SMS, is no longer effective against modern attacks, which often start with phishing emails. The widespread adoption of generative AI has enabled cybercriminals to create highly convincing phishing emails that are difficult for even the best-trained users to detect. The article highlights the need for organizations to move away from legacy MFA systems and adopt next-generation, phishing-resistant MFA solutions that incorporate biometric authentication, such as facial recognition and fingerprints. Cyber news number 4. The new rules for artificial intelligence use by U.S. national security agencies. The White House has announced a new framework on the use of artificial intelligence, AI, by national security agencies, aiming to balance its potential benefits with risks. The policy, signed by President Joe Biden, encourages AI research and prohibits certain uses, such as mass surveillance or automated nuclear deployment. It also prioritizes protecting American industries from foreign espionage campaigns and improving computer chip supply chain security. While some civil rights groups have expressed concerns about the government's discretion in policing itself, many AI industry figures praise the policy as a step towards ensuring America remains competitive in harnessing AI's power. Cyber news number 5. Federal prosecutors charge Sudanese brothers with running DDoS, botnet for hire. 2 Sudanese brothers, Ahmed Salah Yusuf Omer, 22, and Allah Salah Yusuf Omer, 27, have been charged by federal prosecutors in the U.S. with running a distributed denial-of-service DDoS botnet that conducted over 35,000 attacks worldwide, including those targeting Microsoft's services. The botnet, tracked by Microsoft as Storm 1359, was run by Anonymous Sudan, which claimed to be a hacktivist group, but was actually a digital mercenary crew. The brothers allegedly used the botnet to launch DDoS attacks on critical infrastructure, corporate networks, and government agencies in the US and globally, causing over $10 million in damages. If convicted, Ahmed Salah faces up to life in federal prison, while Allah Salah faces up to 5 years. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.